Hi, this is Cary with Wicked Stocks, bringing you another video analysis. This one on SunRun Inc., symbol RUN. SunRun is an American provider of residential solar panels and home batteries. They're headquartered in San Francisco. There's a lot of strong fundamentals in this stock, in this company. I'm not going to get into that because really my purpose is just to identify, buy opportunities on the weekly charts that provide, anywhere from a 2 to 3 week to a 2 to 3 month buy signal, whereby you can make at least 20% on a move. So that's really my focus. And I'm looking at this chart. I'm going to show it to you in a moment. I do think there's a good buy opportunity here. Wicked Stocks offers two forms of membership, free and premium. Free membership is exactly as it sounds. For no cost or obligation, you will receive one free stock video analysis a week, typically released on Mondays. And if you provide your name and email address, you'll receive an email from us each and every time a new free weekly video is ready for viewing. The second form of membership is premium and provides at least 2 stock videos every week and costs $24.95 a month. Just click on the premium membership link, fill out your payment information through our safe gateway portal, and you'll receive an email each and every time a new premium video is ready for viewing. Cancellation is allowed at any time. That presented itself actually at the end of last week, so it's a very new opportunity. We've had some upside follow-through following that buy signal, but it's not too late to, I think, make gains in the realm of about, I'm going to say 40% conservatively, possibly approaching 50%, depending on where you might get in, to this trade. But we'll take a look at the chart right now, and this is really sort of the chart going back to the July 2015 IPO. It's a weekly bar chart. Every chart I'm going to show you is a weekly chart. By the way, I did record this video on Monday, June 28th, 2021. I should have started with that, I suppose. I'm going to zoom into this chart. You can see the extremes here, of course. And so, before I zoom in, I'll show you the extremes. You can see 1490 was the high for a long time, for several years. 415 is the all-time low in this stock in 2016. And then you can see the incredible run-up recently, January of this year, 2021, an all-time high at 100.93, came crashing back, 60% or more, down to 37.42 as recently as last May. And we're, rallying now in the upper 50s as of this Monday morning, June 28th, 2021. So now I'm going to zoom in this sort of red circular area and have a look at the chart. You've got a weekly bar chart here, and you can see that last week this stock settled above this channel formation that this week is at 52.38, the week of Monday, June 28th. And that is our buy signal, anticipating bullish continuation. This could be a 2 to 3 week move. It could take every bit of 2 to 3 months, although I don't think it's going to take that long. I think there's enough buying interest in this stock that should emerge following this buy signal that 3 to 5 weeks, 5 to 8 weeks, by the end of August, let's say, this stock should push into the 70s. Right now, that's the upper 70s, 78.23. If you're able to buy 52 handle support, we're trading 57.68 last. So not sure if you'll be able to buy that 52.38 formation, but a resting bid down there, I think, is a good play. I don't have a problem buying at the market presently if you're willing to endure, the market falling back into the low 50s over the next week or two. But holding above 52.38, I think it's reasonable to assume that by the end of August, we'll be pushing into the 70s. That 78.23 formation this week, the week of Monday, June 28th. And I'll give you the rate of descent of this formation so you can ascertain, where your resting bids and offers might be as we continue over the next month or two. That 52.38 channel top that we settled above, that is our support now, that is the buy zone, drops to 48.54 the week of Monday, July 26th. 4 full weeks later, you can subtract 48.54 from 52.38, divide by 4, and you'll know exactly where that weekly channel top is all the way through summer trade, and above which, once again, anticipating that 78.23 formation, which drops to 74.44 4 full weeks later, the week of Monday, July 26th. That is our target. If you bought it in this vicinity and you sold it in the low 70s, I'm going to say that is about maybe a maybe a 40%, not quite 35% rate of return. Still definitely within the realm of what I'm expecting as a minimum when I put these videos out. I don't put a video out unless I think you can make 20% at least on a move. And this one is certainly outside that realm, beyond that realm. So this is a good play. If we close the week this week, the week of Monday, June 28th, or any week, back below that 5238 channel top, then we have a failed near to midterm buy signal. And in essence, that is a sign of weakness as we continue into later July. So keep that in mind. Where you place your stop is obviously your own risk management system. But closing below 5238, say this week, or that formation any week forthcoming, would be an indication that you should get out of that long position. But if you're in this trade, or you happen to get in this trade above 5238, that is my recommendation, and I think you can hold it into the 70s, into the low to upper 70s over the coming weeks, where you would take profits. If we were to close above that 78.23, then the stock can run even more so. And I think just looking at this chart, 110, 120 would be the next objective. I'll be staying on this. If we happen to push through that 78.23 channel top in the coming weeks, I'll put out another video. But I think that pretty much sums it up. There's not anything else for me to say without being too repetitive. And that's really all I have to say for this particular Wicked Stocks video analysis on SunRun Inc.